So today I'm going to show you how to get your phone hooked up to the EcoXGear dash on the technology packages. So this is their 10.1-inch display touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is going to be for the Apple CarPlay. Now it is the same thing for Android Auto if you do have that. But the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your device list. And that's my phone there, that 15 Pro Max. So I'm going to hit the EcoXGear dash. When you go to your Bluetooth on your phone, you're going to hit pair. When it pops up a code, if you want your contacts to sync, you can. You can hit don't allow if you don't want your contacts to sync up. You're going to hit connect, continue. Now you can see my phone here underneath Zach has now popped up, and so now I have the Apple CarPlay screen popped up just like you would see it in your car. You got that. There's your music. You can click back on this to get it back on this screen. You can scroll over this way. There's all your different apps that you would have just like it would in your Apple CarPlay. So this is going to be the remote that comes with your technology package EcoXGear. This is the remote for your sound system up here. To turn it on and off, you just hit this power button. If you do turn the power button, or if you turn the whole speaker system off, there it goes, speaker off, while you have the cart on. When you go to flip the cart back on, it will not come on. You do have to hit the power button to turn it back on, which is just right there, right? So power, takes a second, it'll click back on. There's your lights, right? So your zone 1, if you want to change the side lights and these front lights, all you have to do is hit the Z1 here, and then that changes, or that one turns off those front lights, and then your Z1M is your mode, and you hit that, and now you can scroll through all the different options for the front and side lights. Your zone 2 is the backlight bar. So this red one again turns it on and off, and then your zone 2M would be this backlight bar here, and then you can change the different modes on this. There it goes. Starting to click through all the different options. There's like 75 different modes you can scroll through on these remotes with all the different colors. Now if you want it to go all be back to be one color, you just hit red, and then that'll change everything back to the color red. Or so you want blue, you hit blue, and that changes all of them back to the color blue. If you want to change both lights at the same time, all you have to do is hit this mode button here, and then that'll allow you to scroll through the different options for both the front and the back light bar.